Basically, we've reinvented the bottle. What we thought was missing was bringing the concept of reusability to what bottle design should really be. If we're able to just ship what we need, which in household cleaners is the concentrated form of that cleaner. And if we built that additional functionality, which is a visual way to measure the exact amount of concentrate, then we can keep reusing all this and we can just ship this. So the innovation for us was to build a valve system and an internal measuring cup that does all of that. You don't have to think about it. It's visual and you know that you do it right. When you squeeze that pod, you fill that measuring cup up, turn the bottle back over, and you just add water. And you got everything you need right here. And this one pod will make 4 bottles. In the future, we think that this is what a bottle should look like. And this is what you're buying. And you keep reusing this. If you look at the footprint that we're improving by taking the weight of the water out of the product, it's a 90% reduction. Just shipping the essential part of that product, you dramatically change the whole value proposition. The inspiration came, funny enough, when I was ironing my shirts over 4 years ago, and you pour water into the iron, and I thought, that's kind of silly, why don't we make a cleaning solution or something? And I thought, it'd have to be a concentrate, and I had water to it. But then I wondered, how come I've never seen a bottle that's integrated, that has that functionality? When I'm on that ironing board, I don't need a bottle of concentrate and another mixing bottle. I needed that to be essentially one. And the crusade started. I had worked on Wall Street for several years in equity research. I was actually not looking to start a company, but I got so inspired by what that could do, how that could actually really transform the supply chain, and how it could really be a big positive for not only consumers, retailers, but the environment. I knew that we had a great opportunity to do it right from the very beginning. So I went to MBDC, McDonough-Bramgard Design Chemistry, the cradle to cradle people, and we started looking at what are the ingredients and how could we make this product. MBDC approached Eastman very early in that design process, and we found a great audience there with the right technical know-how to steer us in the right direction. The tolerances needed to be able to build that valve system had to be so precise that it had to be an injection molding application. Clarity was really important. We wanted it to be glass-like. We wanted it to have a thickness that told the consumer that this is something that's built to be reused. I wanted a feature that helped me see that I was adding the right amount of concentrate. Getting that visual measurement feature inside that bottle essentially was like putting a ship inside a bottle. That 1 ounce measuring cup floating in the middle of that bottle. We talked with a lot of manufacturers that said that we can't build this. Our factories aren't set up to create this bottle. And so we had to go out and create a brand new manufacturing approach. And that's where we found the people at Radius and started getting into the real nuts and bolts of how you make this bottle. I knew nothing about manufacturing before I started this. I knew nothing about plastic materials. The whole process of inventing is something that I didn't understand, and I never thought that would be something that I would go out and do. You get inspired by asking questions. Why do we do it this way? And is there a better way? Our first product is a multi-surface cleaner. We're equally excited about the product that's in the bottle. The bottle gets so much attention because it's such a revolutionary approach, but the cleaners are fantastic. And the bottle system can go into lots of different products down the line. And so we really view ourselves as a reusable bottle system delivery mechanism. I've always looked at Replenish as being like an indie rock band. With the power of the internet, we can find our customer. Someone in Wisconsin or Alabama, they don't have to go into their retail store to see that there's something new and innovative out there. And if I can find those first 1,000 customers that love this idea of a reusable bottle with a built-in measuring cup and buying replaceable pods, then I've really won. I've shown that this idea has utility and that people are inspired by it.